Now the solution of type 2 differential equation, which is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. So before defining this homogeneous differential equation, we will first define a homogeneous function. So a function in the variables x and y, say fxy, is said to be homogeneous of degree n. Degree n if f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda raised to n into fxy. This is the definition. The function fxy is said to be homogeneous function of degree n if f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda raised to n into fxy. The same fxy. That is the definition. That is, in the given function, if we put lambda x for x and lambda y for y, then if that can be written in the form lambda raised to n for some n into fxy, this given equation fxy is said to be a homogeneous function of degree n. Homogeneous function of degree n. For example, consider this fxy is equal to x plus y. A simple case. Then f lambda x lambda y equal to, in place of x put lambda x, in place of y put lambda y, then we get which is equal to lambda x plus lambda y, which is equal to lambda into x plus y, which is lambda raised to 1 into, this is equal to lambda raised to 1 into x plus y, which is equal to lambda raised to 1 into this x plus y is fxy. So this is a homogeneous equation of degree 1. Homogeneous function of degree 1. Now consider another one. Suppose this fxy is equal to x squared plus 2xy. Then this f lambda x lambda y is equal to lambda x whole squared plus 2 into lambda x into lambda y, which is equal to, so here we have this lambda into x, lambda squared x squared plus 2 lambda squared xy, which is equal to lambda squared into this x squared plus 2xy, which is equal to lambda squared into fxy. So this is a homogeneous function of degree 2. So similarly, we can have other homogeneous functions if it satisfies this condition. Suppose the function is this, then we cannot take this lambda squared outside. That is, here we have only 2 into lambda x, no lambda y, so we cannot take the lambda squared outside. So we cannot take lambda squared outside. So in that case, this is not homogeneous. That is, the homogeneity comes here in that form. That is, the total degree exponent of the variables in each term is same. Here the term is first term, degree is 2. Here this 2xy. Then total degree of the variables, x, degree of power 1, degree of y 1, total 2. So the total degree of all the variables involved in each term is the same in the case of this homogeneous functions. So that is homogeneous function. And now we come to homogeneous equation, differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. A differential equation of the form dy by dx is equal to capital Fxy is said to be homogeneous differential equation if this Fxy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. Degree 0, that is important. This is not only a homogeneous function, but the degree is 0. Then the equation is said to be a homogeneous differential equation. The differential equation of the form dy by dx equal to capital Fxy is said to be a homogeneous differential equation if the capital Fxy is a homogeneous function of degree 0. For example, consider this dy by dx is equal to x squared plus y squared by 2xy. This is Fxy, x squared plus y squared by 2xy. Then f lambda x, find this f lambda x lambda y, which is equal to this lambda x whole squared plus lambda y whole squared divided by 2 into lambda x into lambda y, which is equal to here lambda squared into this x squared plus y squared divided by 2 lambda squared into 2xy. So lambda squared and lambda squared get cancelled. So this is equal to lambda raised to 0. Lambda squared cancelled. So 1 is lambda raised to 0 into this Fxy. So this is homogeneous of degree 0. So this is homogeneous differential equation. Homogeneous differential equation. And now we solve the differential equation of this type, homogeneous differential equation. And then to solve this homogeneous differential equation, what we do is, in the differential equation, suppose this given differential equation is dy by dx is equal to capital Fxy, and suppose this is homogeneous. Suppose the function is homogeneous. Then to solve this, what we do is, we make the substitution y equal to vx. Y equal to vx. Put y equal to vx in the given fxy in this. Then if we substitute y equal to vx, then we cannot take this left side as dy by dx, because if we make the substitution, corresponding to the substitution, we have to find what is dy by dx. That is, to find the dy by dx, you have to differentiate this. That is, dy by dx is equal to, here we apply product rule, first function into derivative of the second, the derivative of x, which is 1 plus second function into x into derivative of first, this dy by dx. So we get this. Dy by dx is this. And in this we make the substitution y equal to vx, that is f vx. And then in this substitution, that is putting vx equal to y in the equation, we can see that this will form a function of v alone. Say this will be equal to some gv, function of another function of v alone in the form gv, only v. That is, this x can be taken outside and that will be cancelled, and the power will be x raised to 0, as in the case of homogeneous function of degree 0. We will be getting only a v in that expression. And then we see that this dy by dx, that is this v plus x into dv by dx is equal to gv. That is, x into dv by dx is equal to this gv minus v. In that right side there is only one variable v alone, and hence transposing this to the left side and dx and x to the right side, we see that dv by gv minus v is equal to dx by x. And this is variables separated. Together with the dv, we have a function of v alone. Together with the dx, we have a function of x alone. So this is variables separable form. Variables is separated. So we can integrate and obtain the solution. So that is the method. So we can have example problem in the next video. Okay? That's